Okay, well, Advent of Code day 5. Well, we're already on day 6. Just shows how hard day 5 was for me. I don't need to show the puzzle, I think, because if you're watching this, you all know the pain. But there's this humongous map of things that you can see at the top here. And yeah, it was very hard to parse it and work it through. Part 1 worked like a charm. Part 2 works as well, the stupid way. But I seem to have been consuming quite the CPU minutes on the WASI system, and it still hadn't finished, so I'm gonna leave it for now. But again, maybe just for the watchers here or myself, my future me, so I understand the code if I get back to it. Here's my day 5 part 1 code, reading in all the stuff from that input file. I'm creating formulas in a stem that have all the different ranges and offsets and starts and destinations for the stuff, which we parse all here. Here we show the formulas, then we're going to loop through our seeds, and for every seed we have to loop through all the formulas. And then over here I'm parsing that formula data, and then I'm just going to run my new location function on our current location, and then the values from the rule. And if that's different, then I'm actually doing it twice here. That's smart. Then that's going to be the new location, and we can leave because we don't need to process any more rules. So we leave the loop, go to the next formula. Our location has been updated. It finds the correct rule and it works, sort of. Here's my little function that returns either the same value or that value plus the offset from the destination. And then hopefully we can run this day 5. It took me 38 tries. It was terrible enough. But then, yeah, here you see all those data coming in, all the seeds running, and then the lowest location. So that worked. But then part 2, on part 2 I decided not to use this formula anymore. Instead, I did even more parsing on the input, where I immediately get a, where is that parsing? Where is that parsing? Here, where for every rule I calculate the delta of that rule, so what it does to the thing, and then put that as an action. So it's gonna, that's the way it's gonna move it. And then over here I have a little loop in there. We can run it just once, see how that goes. Put it to 100, and then you see just how long that takes, because the naive way is doing all those seeds, and that takes very, very long because it's so many. Oh, that's the test input, so let's do it with the real input over here. Run another try. So you get all these rules and what they do. And we have to process so many, so it's never gonna finish. It's terrible. It's really, really terrible. So the attention key was my friend. Come on. Come on. Now we have to probably hammer it. Well, I think this is where yeah, let's leave it at that.